So, hello everyone. Today we are going to go into a new topic, which is called icons. Icons is not a this is also going to the process of enhancing our applications. So, dialog is pretty much empty since SAP UI5 shipped with a large icon that contains more than 500 icons. You have more than 500 icons. Like you can say hello with this and bye and good day and some sort of good things. See, within the fragment, you can add this icon, and that will be a better option for you to enhance the look wise. Okay, just to enhance the look wise, we'll just see the live coding over here so that you'll be familiar with that. So what we are going to, I'll show you in my code. Okay, I will go to start with dialog, and within that, after completing the begin button. Okay, we have to put them in separate two places. You can see how they work. So we're going to put icon in one view and this fragmented another view to show you such difference only. Okay, so coming to hello panel dot view. So we have on open dialog already, right? So we'll utilize this. Okay, we'll just add icon over here, and within that, oops. So we have added the icon property over here, and we're going to fetch that. So how to do that? SAP hyphen just hyphen icon, and we are going to fetch an icon called world. Okay, world like a globe kind of icon over there. And yes, this is done. So we'll go ahead and add this to our fragment. Okay, just add connect this with our fragment over here. And so let's go ahead, and just before the begin button, we are going to add take that button over here. We're going to add a content. So we'll close the content. Okay, within the content is open. So why it is doing error? Mhm. Okay, let's finish this off. Then we'll see the error sounds. Okay, within the content, we would call our core with the icon. Okay, and this will. So sorry, there's a network issue here. Okay, we have added icon and within another. So here we are going to add a core icon, and within that src source will be from the same SAP hyphen icon. Okay, okay, colon double slash hello hyphen world. Okay, so we'll close this and we'll mention some size for that. Size equal to, I will give 8. Okay, that will be fine. Um, okay, then class will be SCP UI medium margin. Okay, this will be we'll be using this. Okay, so okay, I think there are no errors as of now. Good to go. So we can go ahead and check in our app once we just refresh it. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Okay, there you go. We just close this console to the view sort. Just click say hello, and there you go. We got the globe here and there also. So yeah, this is what we expected, and we'll get without much delay. We'll get to go in the next part. Okay, which is aggregation binding. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to bind these involves aggregation binding. So this is a good structure for our app. We need to add some functionality over here. So we are exploring more of data binding by adding some invoice data in JSON format that we will display in the list before the panel. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to display this list. For displaying this list, we have used the aggregation binding. Okay. Let's just go with the flow and we'll start with aggregation binding. Okay. So without much delay,